What's up, players? Been up in here trying to get a motherfucking scholarship.
14.
Can I go? Can I say, yo, you already know it's that Dash Life up in her, and you know, you already know I'm Ball Life. Wait, hold on, I need money. Go add me on my Snap.
We're not doing no shout out thoughts.
Do my shout out. Shut the hell up.
Can you tell them what you just cursed at camp?
No.
Hi. Hey. It's me. I'm the front cover. I'm the front cover of this video that's coming out.
Me too.
No, you're not. No, you're
I
not.
just need an introduction on
We're
what we're doing
pranking
today.
you. Okay, introduction. Ready? Action. We are taking a bus to Darien Lake. Then we are going to do tent stuff. Like, we're going to set up the tent to do everything else. And then we are gonna
camping, bro. We're camping.
We're gonna camp there, and then the next day we're gonna meet up with the JV people from the basketball group, and then we're gonna go to Darien Lake with them, and we're gonna ride the rides at Darien Lake.
Wait, hold on. My brother's always on here, so finally I'm on here.
Who's your brother? Tell me who your brother is.
Big Cal rapper.
Big Cal?
You know, in movies when the
like
one
this.
person is like the star of the show, what's that called? Because I really forgot. Like
The star?
No, but like
The main character?
the main character. You're gay. Yeah, the main.
Give yourself a net.
All right.
But how are you the main character of my vlog?
So Didi, what made you think of this? Vlogging?
Of vlogging?
Yeah.
I just wanted to show my life to the world.
Or maybe you didn't have a life, so you want something to do?
You just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't.
D-Dash is out.
Can I vlog game?
We're out. Wait, can we say we're out? And then
Goodness.
1, 2, 3, we're out.
Like,
we
shout
out.
Alright, we out here on this bus ride to where we going again?
We're going to the Lake of Darien.
The Lake of Darien?
Yeah.
What are we doing over there?
We're getting fat, eating candy, and camping.
Camping. Yo. He's the worst. Yo, that kid right here is the worst camper of all. I'm telling you. He just throwing popcorn at me. Like, why? Like, stop throwing popcorn. Are you excited to go camping? Are you excited to go camping?
I'm not excited to go camping because that's kind of low. I mean, it's not.
We don't care.
I've always been the biggest supporter of D Dashington.
Stop. Can I wear your
So
hat?
I was always like, damn, you live a block away from my sister. He was all like, yeah.
I do.
And I was like, we can all have a sleepover. And he was like,
No.
okay.
How long have you been on the bus so far? For like 15, 20 minutes? And this kid is already acting up. So Luke, why you acting up already, bro?
But I feel like it make me happy. Smile for a whole nother reason. These Dina, shiny. What up, Dash Life? We got candy for days. I'm about to steal some shit, about to know.
Better sell some candy?
Yeah, I'm a Girl
You a
Scout.
savage.
I'm a Girl Scout. I got all these warheads.
Got warheads on deck.
Sit
Ow, my eye. You finally made it? It was a long ride, wasn't it?
Can you stop? That's annoying too. People were bugging him. Like, I was trying to go to sleep. They're just being
I go to sleep too. They wasn't letting me sleep.
right. No, you fell asleep for like 25 minutes. Like,
You gotta,
don't
sometimes
lie.
you gotta knock out.
Don't lie.
You gotta knock out. Alright, we finally at the campgrounds. My boy Biggie out here putting up the tents now, and they struggling.
And what are you doing, Didi?
Huh?
What are you doing?
Bro, I'm trying to eat my food, man. I'm hungry. They're mad because I'm eating my food, and I gotta put the tents up. I should be helping them, but
Come on. Why you?
it's a little bit to the left. To the left. Make sure you get the corner and like spread it out. We finally finished setting up. You know what I'm saying?
Please stop throwing
Now
your
we're at the
dandelion
basketball
at
court
me.
hooping, and this man right here is scared of dandelions. I
Stop
don't
throwing your
understand
at-
why.
drop the
Why are you scared of
dandelion.
Why are you scared of dandelions?
Well, Chuck, a few years ago.
Chuck.
Or like.
A few years ago, when I was about 4, so I was about 6 years ago.
Yeah.
So I had a terrible dream where a dandelion ate me, and it's scarred me for life.
That's all back, bro. Yo, you're retarded.
And I got traumatized.
Yo, Didi.
I actually had to.
What the hell did you just say?
Can you stop cursing? Like you said I can't.
Didi, you said fish like 20 million times, bro.
So if your mom sees this video and she sees you cuss down a little bit, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Well, Chuck, a few years ago.
Chuck. What are you gonna do?
Hey, Mom.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, man. It's gonna be a long night for your boys today, man. Out here with these kids. I'm out here camping. It's hot. I wanna go in my bed and just sleep. I want some electricity. I don't got no Wi-Fi. My data's getting ran up right now. I got kids running around. I got a kid scared of dandelions, bro. There's dandelions all. Look at this. Look at all this grass. There's dandelions all over the place, and this kid is scared of dandelions, bro. Like,
Stop.
I don't understand it. Like, they got so much energy, bro. I don't think I'm gonna last throughout the night, man. I don't think I can do it. Pray for you, boy, all right? Pray I get through this, all right? So I don't think I can.
Didi's YouTube channel, doesn't he look like Chris from Get Out? Don't get. Yeah, we sure did. Our shirts are lit. Look.
You at Darien Lake? What you riding on?
Yeah.
I'm not riding on no roller coaster.
I'm on that.
Didi's riding the Superman. You already know.
Bullshit.
I'm going to Ferris wheel. You want to go on the Ferris wheel?
Nah, bro. I do all the big rides. I don't do no baby kitty rides.
They want me to do this little log ride over here. Hold on, let me get it. Let me get it in camera. The log ride right here. They want me to do all that. I don't know if I'm with it though. Yo, Robbie, are you doing it? Are you doing it? Guys, we're back at Darien Lake. I did my first roller coaster with this one right here. You made it. You survived it. We good. We're good. We made it. But she was scared. Why were you scared?
I'm not doing no damn roller coaster. I don't have time.
I did it, yo. That was like my first. Oh, my bad. That was my first roller coaster. I was terrified. I was like screaming the whole entire time. And they want me to do this one too. I'm not sure about this one. It's called a boomerang. I don't think I'm with it.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for camping with us. Go like, subscribe, and share with everybody and everyone.
What happened to the comment?
Leave comments.
We were all nice ones. All nice ones.
All right.
And some mean ones, you know, negativity never hurts.
Well, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. You know what I'm saying? I just want to give a quick shout out to all my campers in the video, man. You know, a lot of you guys are aging out this summer, man. It's kind of bittersweet seeing you guys go on, you know, move on in life and everything, man. I wish you guys the best. I just hope you guys keep dashing life, man. I just want to say I learned a lot from you guys. Hope you guys learned a lot from me. You know what I'm saying? Just keep doing your things, and great things will come. I'm out of here, man. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.